if you are looking to get a prop firm account, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a prop firm account easily and stress-free. Let's get onto the screen. So yeah, we're going to search for prop firm match. There it is, prop firm match. On prop firm match, there are a list of different prop firms that you can get, but this is not sponsored, but I would recommend Marvin if you're in Africa or if you're in Nigeria, because Marvin is a very cheap option to consider when buying a prop firm. It's cheap and they have a good track record because they have been active for a few amount of years. So on prop firm match here, you have to create an account in order to buy with their link, because you get a discount code on any account to buy from prop firm match. So that's why it's good to consider. So you can see these are popular prop firms to buy from. This is Alpha Capital, this is Blueberry, this is the Fivers, this is Breakout, this is Funding Tips. So you can choose from these different prop firms, but I can easily recommend Alpha Capital and Marvin, because those two I've traded those two accounts before and I have good experiences with them. So Alpha Capital gives MT5 and MT4, I think so, and yes, this is it. Platform that they allow. This is Alpha Capital. As you can see, it allows DX Trader, C Trader, and MT5. Look at this. This is Match Trade Locker. This is DX. This is MT4 and MT5. But this Blueberry prop firm is relatively new, so you cannot. But their review is good. We look at Alpha Capital 4.4 from 669 reviews. So that's really good. They have been in operation for 3 years, which is another good stuff. They are in the UK. This is 5%. So they're one of the oldest prop firms that I really know about, but I've not traded them, so I don't know their experience. Their review is really good, 4.8, 9 years in, and they only give 25. So if you want to buy a prop firm from them, you either have to sign up here or log in. If you already have an account, you can easily create an account here. You can easily create your account here or log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. But it's as easy as that. You can easily just create your account as easy as that. You can use Google, you can use anything you wish. Now I'm in the account. So this is Marvin. Look at the different discounts that they give you if you buy an account for them with their link. So let's try this Alpha Capital, because they allow MT5 and C Trader. So that's one thing. Let's click on it. Alpha Capital, it takes me to their page. Now I get 15% off and a free account if I buy with this coupon code. Now, one of the reasons I use prop firm match to buy an account is because you have everything is detailed. You get all the information you need, so you don't even need to go to their website, to this prop firm website to check all the rules. Every single rule you need is here. Look at this. This Alpha Capital has a consistency rule, 40% consistency rule. Then every rule is here. This is the same for all the prop firm that are on this site. So this prop firm match even gives an extra layer of of trust. So prop firms nowadays compete to be on this site, to be listed on prop firm match. So you know that's a good layout. They are like the SEC for prop firm. So if they don't agree, they don't list you. You are not industry standard. Yes. Look at this breakout. This breakout is less than 1 year old. Look at this listed here, 4.6. People see it here and people are likely to buy. that is different problem to choose from. Let me just show you see. If you want to buy, just click on one. Then if you are ready to buy, then click on challenges. When you see the challenges, you can check the real price by offering this apply discount code. You can check their real price here by clicking here, so it show you the real price. But to not cause confusion, just add the discount code. But when you want to purchase, you have to copy the code too, based on the site. So it's just simple as that. Look at the account they have. This is 2-step 5k account, 10% first step, 5% second step. You can see profit target, 5% daily drawdown, and then 10% maximum drawdown for $40.5. That's really different percent price because of the discount, and you even get a free account from Profit Match if you pass the account. Look at this, free account of the same size if reaching payout on all challenges, on all. So any challenge you buy and use their code, you basically get a free account if you reach payouts. That's good. Look at this, any account you want. So let me just click on one to try to, for this 5k Tuesday. Looks good. Let's click on it. Look at this. Now copy the code right here. Code is copied, and we do like to add the right points. And another pro for buying with Profit Match is you get loyalty points for every account you buy. I think it's not up to 20 points, but it's something. So if you buy Profit like that consistently, you can redeem the points. Look at this point stuff here. You can redeem the points for another account. It's basically a free account. So that's, you are getting discounted, you are getting a free account if you reach payout, and you are still getting points. So this Profit Match is really great if you are trying to buy a Profit account. So look, this is my mail. I agree, and to this link will direct me to their site, to the Profit site. Everything is checked, it's loading. It's now redirecting me to the site. Now I'm at the Alpha Capital site. Now I think it's asking me to sign up again. To sign up or sign in. I think I already have an account with them, so I'll just try to sign in so that you can see. It's basically the same thing. So I had an account with them once. This is complicated, but I don't know. I think it's because I have an account, people. But if you don't have an account, if you are creating a new account and you are trying on buying or any site that you go to directly, just look for add account. Just make sure you find your way to the dashboard and just find add account. So this is it. I get to choose what I want. This is 2-step Alpha Pro, and then 10% target. This is the 5k MT5. Now they have different payment methods. You can use crypto. You can use this maybe. I think you can use your card. But crypto is more popular, so I think people use crypto mostly. USDT on Tron is cheaper, and there's even on-demand payouts and bi-weekly payouts. But I think that you got to get to an extra charge. You know, all this can select it, raw spread or no commission. Everything just charge you more. You can apply the code. Now the code that we copied, that match trader code, that match code, let me type it, match, and apply the code. Now look at this, the discount has been applied. All you just have to do is proceed and make the payment. So it's that easy. So that's it, guys. If you are just looking to buy a Profit and looking to buy my recommended Profit, the link will be down in the description. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.